Hey there, in this video, we'll see how to create Shopify development store. Open this website, I'll provide the link in description. Enter the email and click on Join Now. Now fill all the details here. I'm sure you won't face any issue. After that, you will get redirected to this page. Then verify your email. Then refresh the page. Now you will able to add store. Click on Add Store. Select Development Store. Enter store name and create a password. Select purpose of creating the store. Then click on Save. It will take few seconds. Your store is created. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.